Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane and here take the circle command. From the center point, make one circle of diameter 36. Okay, from same center, make diameter 60. Okay, now here go to line command, make one center line and escape. Select this line, you can see it is moving. Go to coincident, select the center and select the center. Now escape, select this line, make it construction. Now go to trim command and trim this bottom profile. Now escape. Now here take the line command and make one line from here and join till this center. Similarly, we'll start from here and make one line till this point. Okay, now escape, go to dimension, define the height as 10 mm and this distance from center as 50 mm. Similarly, from center this distance here will be at 50 mm. Okay, now go to trim this profile, outer one, this profile. Now escape. Okay, now finish sketch. Here go to extrude. Here you can see this profile is extrude and here we are going to take a distance of 50 mm. Okay, we are not making it a symmetric extrude and press OK. Now rotate the profile, select this face, go to create sketch, go to part 1. We have constructed this bottom profile. Now we are going to construct this top profile. Go to part 3. Here take the circle command, make one circle of diameter 18. From same center, make circle of diameter 32. Okay, go to line command, make one line from here and join till this point. Enter. Now from here join till this point, enter to exit the command and escape. Now here go to tangent constraint, select the circle, select this line, select the circle, select the line. Now here take the vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center. Now go to dimension, select the center and select this base. So this distance here will be of 60 mm and escape. Select this profile, make it construction. Now go to arc command and take 3-point arc. Select here and select here and make one arc on this center point. Now escape. So this will be the profile. Now finish sketch, take extrude. Now we are going to select this inner profile. We'll change the direction to and here I'll give a distance of 15 mm. Okay, and press OK. Now here select sketch 2. We'll turn on the visibility of sketch 2. Go to extrude, select this profile, flip the direction and this time we will take distance of 18 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now select sketch 2 and turn off the visibility. Go to home, go to part 1. Now we have constructed this. Now we are going to construct this top profile. Go to part 3, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and make one line here. Okay, and one line here till this point. Enter. Similarly from here till this point. Enter. Okay, now again take the arc command, take 3-point arc, select this point and here select this point and select this middle. Escape. Now here you can see this is moving. Okay, go to home. If it is moving, we will define. Go to front view, go to dimension, select this line, select this center point. Here we will define the distance. So the distance from the bottom will be 38 mm. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 30 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now see, it is joined properly. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and make one circle here of diameter 12. Now go to dimension. Now from the outermost edge, select the center. We'll define it as 20 mm and escape. Now go to vertical constraint. We have a yellow point, this center point. Click on this and click here. So this will be aligned with respect to center point. Finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will change the direction. So it will change to cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 16. Go to rectangle, take 2-point rectangle. From here till this edge, make one rectangle. Now go to coincident, select this point and select this circle. Okay, so this rectangle will be also of 16 mm. Now go to dimension, define this height here. This height here will be of 12 mm. Okay, now escape. Now go to horizontal constraint. Here we'll select this yellow point. When you drag the cursor on this, you will find a yellow point and select here. So this will be horizontally aligned. Okay. Now go to coincident, select the center, select the center. Now this is also constrained. Escape, select this midline, make it construction. Go to finish sketch, take extrude, rotate the profile, select this and select this. Here we'll flip the direction, so this will cut the profile. Okay, and press OK. Now I want same cut this side as well. So go to mirror command and here take extrude 6. Go to mirror plane, go to origin, and here we will select the YZ plane. Rotate and press OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Now we will define the appearance. From here we will take the cyan color. So this will be the final output. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. So that's all for the today. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.